Namaste to all, welcome to Lively Homestyle. Here I am sharing a chicken masala recipe in Goan style. Have a look at the ingredients. Firstly, let's marinate the chicken. Add ginger garlic paste, vinegar, salt, turmeric and mix well. Cover and set aside for 20 to 30 minutes. In a pan, take oil, add cinnamon, cloves, mace, red chili, cumin seeds, coriander seeds, cardamom, mustard, peppercorns, and roast on low flame for a minute or two and set aside. Make sure not to burn the spices. Now take little more oil in the same pan, add sliced onions and fry till it turns slightly golden. Now in a mixie jar, take roasted ingredients and grind. Once it turns to a fine powder, add fried onions along with turmeric, garlic and grind to a smooth paste. Finally add fresh grated coconut, water and grind to a coarse paste. Now in a kadai, take oil, add curry leaves, marinated chicken, cook it covered. Then add ground masala, tamarind, salt and mix well. Now cook it covered. Now the chicken is cooked completely. Roast the masala without covering the lid till the masala becomes dry. You can turn off the flame at this point if you wish to, but as I want it to be dry, roasting it further. Finally, garnish it with coriander leaves. Now the tasty chicken masala is ready. Enjoy it with rice, roti, puri, etc. Hope you liked the video. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe for more such videos or recipes in the future.